Hello friends, welcome to Shakti's Knowledge Hub. Myself Dr. Shakti Suganya. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the difference between two important terms, management and administration. People use these terms interchangeably without knowing its accurate meaning. So, it is very important to know and understand how both the terms are differing from one another. Here is a easy understandable picture to identify how administration and management is getting differed. To understand, I just give a score like 100, 90, 80 until 10. Depends on the score. This square has been divided with two ways, that is first two equal portions. So the first portion is for the administration and the second portion is for the management. So based on this aspect, we can consider the administration is higher compared to the term management. So in organization, we all know so many category of people will be engaging that we are going to discuss in the future chapters and topics. So some of the commonly mentioning the important members in the organizations like board of directors, managing directors, managers, supervisors and workers. So in this order only people will be in every organization working. So they are coming in the top category, that is in the administration level, like the board of directors and managing directors. All the people will do both administration as well as management. But the thing is, the higher importance or the higher priority will be given to these people for the administration work, and very low thing will be for this category of people. And in case of management, it is just opposite to this. The management work will be higher to this category of peoples like managers, supervisors and workers, but administration will be very less for them. So that is what the percentage shows. So if you are taking like this, here the score will be 10. So in that order, if you are taking till 100, the management is high for this category of people and the administration is high for this category of people. So in the next passage, we are going to discuss about how this management and administration is getting differ from one another in the different aspect. So in what basis the management and administration is getting differ from one another? That is like basis for comparison. That is in what basis we are comparing management and administration. Let's see the first one. It's meaning. For management, an organized way of managing people and things of the business organization. So, the people, those who are coming under the category of management, their work is to organize and manage the people and things for the business organization. So whatever the nature of business you are doing or whatever the type of work the people are doing, this category of management people will engage the people, those who are coming working under them, and they will organize what they need to do and all this thing. And in case of administration, the process of administrating an organization by the group of people. So we all know who are all the people coming under these, like the board of directors, the managing directors, so on. So these people will do the administrating activity in the organization. And the second point is authority. Authority is vested with whom? In case of management, it belongs to the middle level people and the lower level people, and the authority belongs to administration is for the top level management people. So these levels of management we are going to discuss in the next video. And what is the role of the people? Like in case of management, their role is like executive, and for administration their role is decisive. That is, they will be the major decision maker. They are the people who will be taking very important decisions related to the organization. And concerned with, that is what a management is concerned with about is policy implementation, and administration is policy formulation. So they are the people those who are under the administration category will formulate the policies for the organization, and the management category people will implement those formulated policies. So they are the executors once the policy has been framed or formulated by the administrative people. Area of operation. Administration it has full control over the activities of the organization. So the person, those who are in that administration category like board of directors, managing directors and so on, they are having a complete and full control over all the activities of the organization. But in case of management, the area of operation is it works under administration. That is, these people, this category of people like workers, managers and supervisors and all will be coming under the people next to administration. So they are under administration. And applicability of the work applicable to government offices, military clubs, business enterprises, hospitals, etc. Generally, the administration category of people will be in these areas. So these are some of the listed examples. So where this administration is a term applicable. This is applicable in case of management is the profit making organization, that is the business organization. So in case of hospitals or any of the big industries, mostly the main role will be vested with the managing directors and general higher category of people. So in case of business organization, we will be having so many categories, so many level of people who will be working, and all this thing we will be discussing in upcoming chapters in a different aspect, and decides what and when it should be done. So we already know that there are people, those who are in the administration category is having a power to do and take decisions for the entire organization. So there they can decide what and when to do some things. But in case of management, who will do the work and how it will be done? So who is the person going to do work which is under their control, or who is under their control, and how that work will be done? Because they are the policy implementation people, the people those who are going to implement the policy which is framed or formulated by the administration people. And what is their work? Formulation of plans, framing policies and setting objectives. So they will do the initial stage of work, which is the overall thing required for the organization in the beginning itself. And what is the work of the management people? Putting the plans and policies into action. So once after all the things or plans has been planned, formulated and structured and designed by the administrative category people, this management category people will put them into action. The next is work. Formulation of plans, framing policies, setting objectives. So the work of the administration category people is to formulate their work, that is the plan for the organization, and all the policies, objectives will be structured by them. So once after the work is done, this management category people will putting them into action. Those plans and policies will be taken into action by the management category people. And what they are focusing? The administration is focusing on this aspects like making best possible allocation of limited resources. Because they are in the top, they will be allocating the resources which is required in the organization, and their focus is on managing the work. So once after allocation is done, they will manage the work which is taken care of the people coming under them. And the next is key person. So the key person is called as the administrator in case of administration, and in case of management, the key person is called as manager. So the manager is inclusive of all the department heads like marketing manager, production manager, HR manager and so on, and represents owners who get a return on the capital invested by them. This belongs to the people, those who are in the category of administration, who are the owner of the concern, who is going to get the return out of the investment what they made as a capital for their business purposes. And what they will get as the return? Employee who works for remuneration. So the management people, they are not the owner of the concern, they are completely the workers in the organization who will be working under the administrative people. So they will get something in return called the remuneration. And the final point is functions. What function the administration people are doing? Legislative and determinative function. They are the lead people to take care of that organization. So they will be taking care of this legislative works, and determinative, that is the superior works like decision making, policy making, all that thing. And the function of people who is coming under the management is executive and governing, that is managing and executing the work which is assigned by the administrative people. So these are the differences between both the terms administration and management. You may be confusing with each and every terminologies which we are using, and you might think that these things are same. There are plenty of differences between each and every terminologies which we are using in the management concepts. So all these things we are going to discuss in our future videos one by one. With this we are concluding our today's video. If you are seeing our channel and video for the first time, subscribe to Shakti's Knowledge Hub and share it with your friends, and mention your requirements in the comment box. Let us know what type of classes you need and what topics you wanted to know which is related to your subject and your studies. Kindly go through our about page to know more about us. See you all soon in our next video. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.